Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking an analytics tool and creating an account. Choose the simplest one you can manage. Next, add the tracking snippet into the site header or via your tag manager so every page sends data. Once done, open the tool's real-time view to confirm hits, watch for your visit or a test event. Make sure to use the correct property or tracking ID because an incorrect ID will send data elsewhere and waste time. Once the tracking is live, switch to the main audience report and set the date range to the past 30 days to capture monthly traffic. Then make segments, all users, organic traffic, paid campaigns, referrals, so you can compare sources side by side. Also, apply filters to exclude internal IPs and known bots. This reduces noise and gives more accurate counts. If sampling appears, narrow the date range or adjust report settings until the numbers stabilize and look consistent. To finish, use the user's metric as your monthly unique visitor count and compare it with sessions to understand behavior differences. Export the report as CSV or PDF and save monthly snapshots so trends become obvious over time. If data looks too low or absent, troubleshoot. Confirm the tracking snippet is on every page and not blocked by tag rules. Test in a browser without ad blockers, and check that IP filters or view settings aren't excluding valid traffic. Fix those and recheck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.